Hello art friends, welcome back to my channel Color Book. A cute little fish is waiting for your magic touch. Grab your paper and colorful pens and let's bring this happy fish to life. First, I will draw the fish body. Next, we make the back fin. Shape the fish face with one smooth line. Draw the big eye and fill the center with black color. Make the fish mouth and give it a neat curved shape. After that, decorate the fish body. Then draw a small circle and a little side fin. Now make a wavy border on the fin. Divide it with simple lines. Next, draw more fins, one on top. And two on the bottom. Now add 3 small bubbles near the fish mouth. It's time to add some bright colors. Let's color the fish face with red. Color every other stripe on the fin red. Then color the borders of all the fins red too. It is looking so bright already. Now take your green color and fill the remaining stripes on the fin. Color the design in the middle of the fish body with green and yellow. One section at a time. Color the eye area and mouth with pink. Using yellow color for the mouth area. Color the outer border of the fin with yellow. A little side fin with red color. Then fill the fins with sky blue. Kids, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bubbles with sky blue color. Now I will draw simple blue water waves below the fish. Look, our fish is looking colorful and super cute and ready to swim. I will meet you again with another exciting drawing. Bye bye.